So we're gonna start with the onions. Oh, alright. Look how sexy that looks. Oh yeah. Oh. Alright, and then we just add the oil to the pan. You just like lather it all over the pan, make it nice and slippery and wet. Oh, look how wet that is. Okay, if you're not turned on right now, then you need to turn it on. There we go, look at that. Oh yeah, and then you add your onions. Oh, yeah, just pop some salt. Fuck, look how that looks. Oh, that's money right there. Oh, money. Chili for the boys. Alright, remove your bun. I'm vegetarian, so I'm gonna use like soy mince, but you can use any meat you want. If you have to beat your meat before it goes in to make it tender, don't worry, you can do that. The meat just instantly becomes thick and throbbing. Look at that. So the meat grows. Tomato paste for some red goodness. Oh, that is money. Then get a plate from under here. I know it's flat, but it still has value. Alright, oh, look at how hot that bun is. Oh, once you have the bun cut open, you just spread the buns. There we go, just spread it. Take your meat, shove it in the bun. You can really like blow it full of your mayo. That is sexy right there. That is money. Look at that money. Oh, okay, look at that. Let's have a look at the product. Oh, that is sexy. Oh, just look at how slimy that is. You just spread it open. Oh yeah, that is a good meal. Then all you have to do is just chug it in your mouth and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.